It's not who you are underneath. It's what you do that defines you.
All right, guys, let's go over this here. I think you're gonna see a pullback here today. Yeah, most likely pullback today here. Give me a second, guys. I think I'm gonna announce this here. Forgot to do that this call. My biggest thing, guys, is this. We're most likely going to have a pullback here. I mean, let's look at the calendar here. Is there anything this week here? Today specifically? Not really. Other than manufacturing PMI, which is higher than expected, this is bearish here for markets. It's 51 is somewhat bearish. Or the market's fearing inflation right now, so seeing that right now is not the most. How could I say this? It's not the best thing right now. Is this still an order flow? Oh yeah, we're beyond order flow right now. Break of structure here. I think SPX is going to sell off today. Regardless of whatever. SPX is a sell today. It's going to sell off and it's going to come here. You could wait for a pullback or wait for a bigger run, but SPX is a sell today. It's going to sell off. It's going to come here for sure today. I believe it's going to extend lower than where we are right now. I think it's still in order flow. I'm going to drop this link here in the Discord, so that way everybody can get access to the Discord here, okay? Very bearish here. Price came back into that mitigation area here. Even this is a sell today. I would wait till after the swipe of liquidity here, but this thing's probably going to break down in front of that low. This is my NOS outlook. Probably wait till after 10 a.m., but this thing's going to run down, run up, and then come run down here. What is this? Actually, no, this is a NOS. The US 30 outlook. Let's look at NOS here. This is from last week. I wouldn't buy from last week's idea here. I was looking at last week. It's invalidated. Someone's asking about gold. Now, this is an idea I had last week for a run to the upside. Gold right now is not valid at all. I'm looking at, particularly with gold, it might sell off. We're going to catch a bottom here soon with gold. Specifically here. Only reason I haven't been really trying to catch gold is we're at a bottom. Like, June is gold's worst month, right? But July and August happen to be back-to-back parabolic runs for gold. So we have 2 really good months from June's bearish trend and also May's bearish trend. So what does that mean for me and what does that mean for us? That means that gold is, and now we're near the end of the month. We're July 23rd. How many days until the end of the month? We really have like a week and a half, 2 weeks. What that basically means is like, this is coming to an end. Because this is coming to an end, it's gonna go in a parabolic, like it's gonna go in a parabolic run, you know? So this is gonna come to a rip, to a low, and then eventually run massive to the upside. So for me, I'm actually even seeing something like this as a break of structure. This looks like it's going to probably come back and then run to the upside. I actually want to get in more buys long term than sells. I don't want to, this is already sold off tremendously from, you know, where I believe price was even at the high previously in April. I mean, we've sold off already 17%. So I've seen a break of structure here. I'm looking for long-term buys here. Looking at NAS. NAS is a sell for today. Already kind of sent like a US 30 is a sell. NAS, if it doesn't break through this structural point, it's a buy, but other than that, it's most likely going to sell off if it does break through this zone. Right? So let's look at this here in particularly. This area here is also interesting. I think it's going to break through though, considering where more price is. There's no safe entry here. There's no safe passage. You're looking at this zone, or most likely this zone here, for price to swipe up. And sell off. That's what you're looking at. You know? Yeah, this is all selling off here today. So okay, so this is the NOS outlook. Let's look at the VIX real quick. That's worrisome, man. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit worrisome. But hey, we still have some gaps to fill here, so hopefully we're moving higher than lower. Oil. We continue on this downtrend and we keep breaking structure lower, which is good. We do have some gaps to fill, but oil right now is continuing on its downtrend here, which is great. with that break of structure that I see with gold and it creating a higher high, I am just a little bit worrisome of any type of sell or buy right now. I'm actually more open to buying than selling gold as a swing trade long term. Because of that, I don't necessarily. We could scalp it. We're getting near a scalp zone, right? The buy earlier here, sell here. But I'm looking to swing this soon. I just don't want to catch the bottom here. Or try to guess the bottom is what I'm trying to say. I'm more bullish on gold than bearish on gold, but I don't want to guess it right now. What I'm going to wait for is a break of structure here. If I get a break of structure here, I'm buying gold for sure and holding it for the next 2 months. If we don't get a break of structure, we'll get a sell-off, and this thing is going to go super low. Yeah, so with CAD, I mean, we called CAD for buys a long time ago. What I'm looking for here right now, pull back on CAD for it to run. Gold is going to run, but I want confirmation, double confirmation for us to just start getting in buys here, like long term. I want to start buying gold soon. Just on a seasonality perspective, we tend to bottom out in June and the end of June start to run and rally. So I think we might see one more swipe here. USD JPY, I'm not going to trade. I haven't even traded GU in a long time. Bitcoin for me has been super profitable, still up on some trades here. Sweet trade selling BTC, like I got in more sells. I stacked up another 3 sells here at 65k, and I also got in more sells at 64k as this thing is now breaking structure. Okay, if BTC today closes below this particular zone here, we get a close, this thing's going to collapse and create a lower low, so we should expect a new lower low to be created. We should expect 58k in that area to get hit for sure. Okay, so just expect that it's coming. I do expect with SPX dropping, BTC to get to the 50Ks, and I'm waiting for a full drop so BTC can finally go to like 50K. But I expect 43K. Some people expect 35K. I expect 50K, more or less, up like 3-4K here. So. Let's look at what else is happening here in live time. I gave you guys my ideas right now on what I'm thinking price is going to do. This thing's going to continue to sell off. All the sells stacked up here at 82, the sells stacked up at 76, stacked up at 66, and even 65. This thing's going to continue to keep selling off here, guys. Okay. Some people are asking me what I think about Dixie. If you go back, I mark up Dixie. Copy link right here. All right, guys, this kind of sums up, right, today, what we're looking at. Okay. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact us. Obviously, there's some scalps here from buys and sells, but other than the scalps, that's what we're looking at. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all, and I will see you guys on the next session.